everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're focusing on winding down and getting the restful sleep you deserve and need. And I'm going to share 3 simple ways to elevate your bedtime routine using essential oils with diffuser blends, DIY pillow sprays, and other relaxing tips to help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Julie. I started using essential oils about 10 years ago to reduce my toxic load, and I replaced my toxic household and personal products with DIYs using essential oils. Now, the result was amazing, and so now I love sharing with others my journey. So, welcome. Now, let's get started. First up is the diffuser blend. Diffusing is one of the easiest ways to fill your room with calming aromas that set the tone for sleep. Now, here are 3 of my favorite bedtime blends. Sweet Dreams, 3 drops lavender, 2 drops cedarwood, and 1 drop ylang-ylang. Now, next, I have Breathe Easy, 2 drops eucalyptus, 2 drops peppermint, and 3 drops lavender. And finally, the third blend is a warm hug, 3 drops chamomile, 2 drops bergamot, and 2 drops vanilla. Now, add the drops of the essential oil blend that you want to your diffuser. Now, this will create a spa-like atmosphere in your bedroom and help your mind relax as you prepare for sleep. Now, my diffuser has a 10-hour intermittent option that will take you through the whole night. And if you're interested in checking this out, I'll put a link in the description. Now, next, let's talk about pillow sprays. These are super easy to make and perfect for giving your bed a calming scent. Now, here's how you can make your own. In a small spray bottle, combine 1 tablespoon witch hazel. This helps the oil mix with the water. And then a half cup distilled water. And then 10 drops of your favorite essential oil blend. Now, florals are calming. So I'm using 6 drops of lavender and 4 drops of chamomile for a relaxing vibe. Give it a shake, and then it's ready to use. Now, just a few spritzes on your pillow and or even sheets just before bedtime, and you're good to go. It's like aromatherapy for your sleep. So finally, let's talk about creating a bedtime routine. Incorporating essential oils is just part of the equation. Pair it with a few other habits to get the most out of your nighttime ritual. Sip on a warm, caffeine-free tea like chamomile or peppermint to calm your body. Chamomile or peppermint essential oil do this. I did a video going over the basics of using essential oil and what to look for when using them internally. And I'll link it at the end of this video. And next, spend 10 to 15 minutes reading or journaling to wind down. Keep it screen-free to avoid the blue light exposure. And then use a roller blend with calming oils like lavender and frankincense on your wrists or the soles of your feet for extra relaxation. Small, mindful habits like these can signal your body that it's time to relax and prepare for rest. Now, these simple tips, diffuser blends, pillow sprays, and a calming bedtime routine can make such a difference in how you sleep and feel each day. Remember, not sleeping and stress keep your body from repairing itself. So I hope you will try these ideas and make them your own. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. And if you have your own bedtime routine ritual, then put them in the comment too. I'd love to hear them. Now subscribe for more tips on natural living and wellness, and sweet dreams.